Italian pizza is one of the most famous and popular foods in the world. It originated in Naples, Italy in the late 18th century, and has since become a staple food in many countries. Italian pizza is characterized by its thin, crispy crust, and its delicious toppings. The first thing to understand about Italian pizza is that there are many different types of pizza in Italy. Each region has its own variation, and each pizzeria has its own unique recipe. However, the most common type of Italian pizza is the Margherita, which is a simple pizza with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil. The key to a great Italian pizza is the crust. The crust should be thin and crispy, with just the right amount of chewiness. It should also have a slightly charred flavor, which comes from cooking the pizza in a wood-fired oven at a high temperature. The sauce is another important element of Italian pizza. It should be made from fresh, ripe tomatoes, and should be lightly seasoned with salt, pepper, and olive oil. The sauce should be applied in a thin layer, so as not to overpower the other flavors. The cheese is also crucial to the flavor of Italian pizza. The most common cheese used is mozzarella, which should be fresh and stretchy. Other cheeses that are sometimes used include provolone, parmesan, and ricotta. When it comes to toppings, there are endless possibilities. However, in Italy, the most common toppings are simple and traditional. Some popular toppings include Margherita, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil. Marinara, tomato sauce, garlic, oregano, and olive oil. Prosciutto e funghi, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, prosciutto, and mushrooms. Quattro formaggi, tomato sauce, mozzarella, parmesan, gorgonzola, and ricotta cheeses. Italian pizza is usually served as a whole pie, which is meant to be shared. However, it can also be ordered by the slice, which is a popular option for a quick and easy lunch. In Italy, pizza is often eaten as a casual meal, either at a pizzeria or as takeout. However, there are also many high-end restaurants that serve gourmet pizzas, with exotic toppings and creative flavor combinations. Overall, Italian pizza is a delicious and satisfying food that has become beloved all over the world. Whether you prefer a classic margherita or something more adventurous, there is a pizza for everyone. So, the next time you're in the mood for a tasty and satisfying meal, consider trying an authentic Italian pizza.